So quadratic polynomial. So first of all we have to see the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, correct? So here one of the most important concept is there, that is x square plus sum of the zeros
plus product
into
of
x
the zero.
plus product of the zeros of the zeros. For example, if 3 and 2 are the sum and product of the zeros, then the required polynomial will be, this is the sum, that is 3, and this is the product, that is what, 2. And remember that if sum is positive, sum of the zero is positive, then x square minus thrice x plus 2 will be the quadratic equation. Or if 3 will be negative, then it will be what? Positive. So now if there will be 3 negative, then here 3 will be what? Positive. So in case of sum of the zeros, if sum of the zeros is positive, then in polynomial the coefficient of x will be what? Negative. And if sum of the zero is negative, then the coefficient of x square, x is will be what? Negative. And one more important concept is there. Suppose that is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. In that case, if a is equal to 0, sorry, a is equal to 1, then b will be the, this b will be the sum of the zero. Negative b will be the sum of the zeros, and c will be the product of the zeros. If in any case ax square plus bx plus c, if a is equal to 3, suppose, then what will be the sum of the zeros? Sum of the zero will be what? It will become what? Negative b by 3. That means the value of b in the negative, if it will be positive, then it will be negative, and product will be c by 3. Just for example, thrice x square plus twice x plus 5. So then what will be the sum of the zeros? Sum of the zero will be, it is positive, then it will become what?
Negative.
Negative 2 by 3. And product, what will be the product?
5.
Product of the zero will be what?
5.
5 by 3. Okay. If m and n are the zeros of the polynomial polynomial thrice x square minus x minus 2. Find the value of the following. Number 1, 1 by m plus 1 by n. Number 2, m square plus n square. Correct. So how to find the value of the polynomial? Here given m and n are the zeros of the polynomial. So therefore sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. That is what? M plus n is equal to what? What is the polynomial we have? We have the polynomial thrice x square minus 2. So sum of the zero will be what? Sum of the zeros will be if it is negative,
positive,
then sum will be what? Positive. Correct. That will be what? 1 by 3 is the sum of the zeros. Correct. 1 by 3 is the sum of the zeros, and product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. What is the product of the zeros? M into n. That will be what? M into n. That is negative 2 by 3. Correct. So that will be what? Product of the zeros. Okay. Now m plus n is equal to, we have got what? 1 by 3, and m into n is equal to, we have got what? Minus 2 by 1, negative 2 by 3. Correct. So number 1, what we will find now? 1 by m plus 1 by n. First we will take the LCM, m into n. So this will become what? M cancel, then no, n plus m. So we have got m plus n is equal to what? 1 by 3 divided by what? Negative 2 by 3, that is m into n. So what you will write? 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel. So we have got 1 by negative 2. The value of 1 by m plus 1 by n is equal to what?
Negative
1 by negative 1 by 2. And now we will find the value of what? M square plus. Now we find the value of what? M square plus n square. Okay. So for finding the value of m square plus n square, we should know that the formula a plus b whole square. There is a formula a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus twice ab. So similar to that, a square plus b square will be what? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. This twice ab will come this side, that which we subtracted. So similar to here, m square plus n square is equal to what? M plus n whole square minus twice m n. So m plus n whole square. We already got the value of m plus n, that is what? 1 by 3 square minus, and the value of mn is what? What we have got? The value of mn is equal to what? Negative 2 by 3. So 1 square, that is 1 only. 3 square 9 minus 2 to the 4, negative negative positive 4 by 3. It is 9 and it is what? 3. So it will become 1 by 9, and plus if we will make 3 to 9, it will become what? 12. So direct 12 plus 1, how much? Denominator same, we can add the direct numerator, that will be 13 by 9. Okay.